Morning everyone, on my hamburger saga again. I'm trying to find the best hamburger in Melbourne, and we're up to hamburger number 4. We're going to Fat Bob's, recommendation from a friend of mine, Lynn. Thank you very much. Yeah, let's go, let's check it out. Guys, so we're here at Fat Bob's and we're going to go and check out the burgers. I'm really hungry, so awesome. It's lit up really well, a lot of neon lights. The ambience is really fantastic. Now let's hope the burger's any good. Now I'm just waiting for my burger. Hungry, hurry up. The ambience in this place is really nice. There's an outdoor setting, and I'm here for the burger, not the ambience. So I got the single patty, egg, bacon, same as the other ones. So we'll check it out and see what it's like. I got my burger. Awesome. So I'm gonna hoe into that. I'm gonna hoe into this now. See what it tastes like, and let's rank it. I can't get it around my hand. Really nice. It's huge. Yeah, it hits the spot, especially when you're hungry. This burger is huge. I struggle to get my mouth over it. It's a good old Aussie burger. Egg, bacon, beetroot. Piece of bacon, I can't let that go. I was hungry and I absolutely demolished that burger. Where does it rank? We'll keep you in suspense. I've got a few more burger joints to go to, but you know, this is nice. I'm not complaining. I need my drink. Well, that was Fat Bob's, and I'm feeling a bit fat now. Wow, well, that was Fat Bob's burger. It was a traditional egg, bacon, beetroot, Aussie style. It was huge, guys. I could barely get my mouth over it, you know. And I've been told that I've got a big mouth sometimes, but okay, so where does it rank? Let's wait and see. It was nice. I enjoyed it. So let's see. Guys, I had food all over my face when I was at Fat Bob's. I had mustard on my nose and pickle on my side of my mouth, and that was a massive burger.